Hello, welcome to our 13th community call. I'm Lud, the business development lead for Crust Network, or some of you might know me as the Jesus Crust on Twitter. Today's community call is packed with information, packed with achievements of our last month, and I would say let's just jump right in. On the technology side, we completed our upgrade plan to upgrade to the metadata 14 on our mainnet. We also adapted to the latest Polkadot commit. And we also work on the design for our batch transaction. This actually means that from now on, you will be able to upload several files at the same time. This especially makes it easier to upload 10K collections, NFT collections, any kind of large file number data can be uploaded now with the batch transaction feature. This comes in very handy, and this means you don't have to pin every single CID manually. You can do it now via this batch feature. So feel free to check it out. I think there's also an explanation and a guide in our documentation on how to do it. Then another very important message is that we're gonna terminate the Crust Maxwell chain, which means that we will terminate the front end and the blockchain explorer services. So if you still have any kind of assets on our former testnet Maxwell, then I urge you to switch them over to our mainnet or to Crust Shadow to keep your assets safe. This is supposed to happen on the 4th of February next year. So you approximately still have 2 months to move your assets, to check if there's any holdings on you on Maxwell. And if so, please move it over. You will find a description how to do it in our documentation. Maybe another word regarding our current network situation. So a lot of you community members wondered why our available storage dropped and our nodes dropped so hard over the last 2 days. And one reason is that there is like a small technical issue with one of our largest mining pools, and this capacity will be back soon. So don't worry, we are on track. Yeah, then we saw a really cool achievement is that we deployed our Crust storage smart contract storage smart contract for the Arbitrum One network, one of Ethereum's layer 2 solutions. We also got added to their Arbitrum portal, where you can find Crust Network now as solution under the tools category. And we urge every Arbitrum developers to have a look in it. We are the very first and so far only decentralized storage protocol being natively connected to Arbitrum to leverage all benefits of decentralized storage. Also, our application Crust File now supports the subwallet login. So subwallet is one of the most popular wallets within the Polkadot ecosystem, but I think they also support EVM chains. But from now on, we open the doors of our Crust Files application to all subwallet users. So feel free to check it out. It's a very cool product. Also, we worked on some UI issues we had with Crust Files. And next to that, we also worked and added some information to our technical documentation. For example, we added some info about our new faucet processes. So now you can get test tokens to try out Crust storage services, either via a GitHub process or via a Twitter promo code, which you can apply. And then you also get some free tokens. Furthermore, we worked on the structure of our wiki a little bit. So from now on, you also will find more information on how to connect to different public chains, how to realize cross-chain storage use cases, for example, with Ethereum, Polygon, Arbitrum, Aptos, Elrond, and many more. So please check our docs, and you will be helped out there. On the ecosystem side, we signed up a lot of different partners. So again, for last month, we partnered with Meet48. We partnered with OneLand, and also very interesting with Peak Network, in this case to bring decentralized data storage to the economy of things. And we put a nice graphic together of all the projects, at least we are aware of, that are utilizing Crust Network. And we identified over 150 projects that use Crust Network for different use case scenarios. As you can see, probably some of the most popular one is DeFi. That's the dApp hosting for DeFi applications, but also Web3 tools, NFT metadata storage, very strong use cases. And additionally, there might be several more projects that are already using Crust Network without us being aware of it. So at least 150 projects is the number we could count on our side. Then we also integrated the OKX wallet now with our own swap. I don't know if you used it so far, but under swap.crustapps.net, we have a small swap where you can trade your tokens from Binance or buy CRU mainnet tokens from your Binance chain or from Ethereum chain with your MetaMask. And now you also can buy it with your OKX wallet. Then we had like a very cool interview with On Finality, where our CTO Luke took part. They talked about some let's say some issues of Web3, how to deal with illegal content and so on. So very interesting. Feel free to check it out either on Twitter or I think on YouTube, their videos as well. Very entertaining. Then we announced last community call that we won the Polkadot slot auction and also were able to renew our parrot chain for the Kusama network. And so since recently you actually can claim your first batch of the Kusama and Polkadot crowd rewards. For this, to know more about this in specific, check our Medium article. There's like an entire description on how to do it, either if you used Polkadot GS directly or if you use any third-party provider. You will be helped out there. Check the Medium and read the article for more information. Also on the community side, we had different activities. For example, we held different Twitter spaces with Chain Afrique and with Meet48, but also with Ternoa, another Polkadot-based ecosystem we partnered with. And feel free to join our Twitter spaces. We are holding Twitter spaces on a more regular basis. The traction is really cool at the moment. A lot of people joining, a lot of people getting more interested into decentralized storage. So feel free to join. We would be happy to see you there. But also we organized and coordinated some offline events. For example, our partner Uvier was very active at the West Coast in California. So, for example, we took part at the Economic Security Conference at the USC Berkeley together with Oak Network, another partner of ours, but also joined a panel event for the San Francisco Blockchain Week to discuss the decentralized exchanges and finance, centralized versus decentralized exchanges and how Crust can help DeFi projects with their decentralized solutions. We also partnered with NFT, Spacers NFT. It's like a new NFT project. And for everybody who wants to get one of those NFTs, you can use the code storage to redeem an NFT. And then when you use this code, you get an NFT with the Crust patch on the sleeve. So very cool design to individualize and customize your NFT a little bit. And if you're interested, there's the code. We also created a new Crust community account to strengthen our presence on Twitter. And it's at Crust community. So you will find funny memes, a little bit off-topic discussions, and not just too serious, but with a lot of fun and engagement of the community. So check it out. And if you already follow Crust Network, make sure to follow our Crust community account on Twitter as well. And talking about community, we also overhauled our open community program a little bit. We simplified it because we felt it was a little bit too complex to onboard for users. And we also implemented some other tools. One of them I want to show you today. It's the Crew3 tool. It's an community tool to empower interactions, to empower activity of the community. And it comes with different tasks which we can set up for the community to follow up on. And then there will be different amount of XP points that will be distributed to the user. And then there will be a leaderboard where the most contributing community members will receive CRU tokens for their contributions. You can just log in with your Discord account to verify. Check it out, crustnetwork.crew3.xyz quest board. And I also want to show you some examples we just put in earlier this morning. So one is a vote where we want you to take part in a vote to get our CRU token supported by the Nova wallet, also a very famous and popular wallet in the Polkadot ecosystem, where we distribute 100 XP for it. And another one actually is to follow my Twitter account at the Jesus Crust and to retweet a tweet of mine. For both of those, you get 100 XP each. There also will be other activities, for example, where you write some articles, where you put some more work in, and this will be rewarded with up to 1000 XP per activity. So check it out. And here, more in detail, how this looks. If you click one of those boxes, you get more information on what to do, how often you can claim this activity, and also, how to do or how to perform and to act on this task. Cool. So I think that's it for today, for today's call. Make sure to follow us on our socials. Make sure to check out our Crew3 to collect some points for the leaderboard. And yeah, if you're one of the lucky community members at the end, then you will get some nice, cool CRU tokens as rewards and as appreciation for your efforts. Thank you very much. See you next month. See you at next month's community call. And hopefully with a lot of different other news. Thank you. Bye.